If you want your blog post to rank well, a good idea and an SEO best practice is to include engaging and relevant images throughout your blog post that keep your reader reading more. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can use Bramework to add images throughout your blog post. So here I have my blog post and I'm ready to add an image. I'm going to move the cursor to where I want the image added, then go up here and click the icon here. I'm going to select the image I want and then click done. And now I want to edit the alt image tag. So I'm going to double click this and enter in the alt text here. And it's a good idea to include the keyword that you want to rank for your blog post. And I can continue doing this throughout the post. And then when I'm ready to add a featured image, I'm going to go over here and click the SEO tab. Scroll down, select featured image, and then same thing, add in my image here. So I'm going to select the one I want, click done, and then here's where I can edit the alt text. Then when you're all ready to publish, you can go here, select publish, and Bramework integrates with your WordPress site. So you can just select your WordPress site here and then hit publish, and you're all done. So hopefully you found this video helpful and you're ready to start adding images to your blog posts in Bramework. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, the algorithm loves it, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a future video. And you can check out our other videos for best practices of using Bramework and hit us up on all the social channels.